video of mine, I'm going to tell you the factorization of polynomials, and I have taken one of the mostly the kids are confused in this question, so that I have taken this question. Okay, so in this question it is given that we have got two values of x, means they are the roots of the polynomial. In the previous videos I have explained polynomials. Polynomials means the algebraic expressions having many terms. So we will take this x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0 as the roots of this polynomial 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x plus b, and we have to find the value of this constants given in this polynomial. That is, we have to find the value of a and b here. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So we have the polynomial as 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x plus 8. Okay. Now first we will take the value of x as 2. So we will put the value of x as 2. Wherever x is there, we have to substitute the value as 2. Okay. So we put 2 into 2 cubed minus 5 into the square of 2 plus a into 2 plus b. So let's solve 2 into 2. The cube of 2 is 8 minus 5 into the square of 2 is 4 plus 2 into 8 plus b. Okay? Now 8 plus 16 minus 20 plus 2a plus b. And you know that when we put the value of the variable, means as x is the root of the polynomial, so the whole polynomial will turn to be 0. Okay? So we will get the equation as 2a plus b, 16 minus 20 minus 4 equals 0. Okay? Or 2a plus b is equal to 4. You can take it as equation number 1. Okay? So the first equation we got as 2a plus b is equal to 4. Okay? Now the second value of x, that is the second root of this polynomial, is 0. Now we are going to put the value of x as 0. So it will be 2 into 0 square minus 5 square of 0 plus a into 0 plus b. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 will also be 0 plus b. And we know that when we put the root of the polynomial turns to be 0. Okay? So here we got b is equal to 0. And this is the equation number 2. So we got the value of this constant b as 0. Now what we have to do? Just we have to substitute the value of b in equation number 1, and in that way we will be getting the value of a also. So let's see. It's 2 plus 0 is equal to 4. You can write it here on putting value of b is equal to 0 in equation 1. Okay. So it will be 2a plus 4, and here 2 is multiplied with a, and then sign transfer will be there. It will be divided. So we got the value of a as 2. So we got both the values. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0. So I hope you understood this problem. So if you have understood, and if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.